Talk about the Sig P320, a pretty problematic gun if you ask a lot of people in the gun industry. This guy has caused a lot of issues for me and a lot of issues around the board for other people that I have heard. Let's just talk about first, I haven't accidentally shot anything with mine, so we can get that out of the way. I know a lot of people have. I haven't had any issues with it, so I can't speak on that. What I have had issues with is the optic screws coming loose, essentially being overboard. I had to get an optic plate and a replacement Vortex optic for that one. I did have the Sig Romeo 1. Did not like that optic very much. The replacements worked great. I also had a bad rifling issue with the stock barrel. Had to get that one replaced. I went with a backup tactical threaded barrel. Also did the Harrington arms compensator. Just decided to throw that on there just to help with a little bit of muzzle kick. Those have worked great for me. And obviously the main thing you can see is I got a new Brower M18 frame. This thing is great. Just a little side note on this frame. If you use the 21 round magazines, everything works very good, very copacetic. It looks good. If you use the 17 round magazines, they kind of look a little weird. They sit completely flush with that Magwell. I'm sure if you didn't have the Magwell on, they wouldn't sit as goofy. Just a little side note on that frame. But other than that, though, did the Apex trigger upgrade. I'm sure if you guys have ever experienced this trigger, it is not a very fun thing. It's very spongy, the way that that's kind of the only way I can describe it. The Apex trigger has helped a lot of that slack, but still a little on the off end. Other than that, though, how it sits now, I do love the way this gun shoots. My groupings are a lot better with it. It just is not very fun to have to change a bunch of stuff about a stock gun when it should work from the factory. If you have any comments, questions, anything like that, go ahead and leave them down in the comments section. Let me know if you guys would run the P320.